Initially, when I joined, I was excited to learn new AI apps as well as especially the freedom financial freedom accelerator course.
Hmm.
Those were something which really helped me to gain knowledge on the stock markets as well as how we invest our money and how to grow our money.
Hmm.
So that really grabbed my attention, I would say.
Uh-huh.
That 4 days I was continuously listening without even missing a single class. So I even started my journey in investing in Grow and other mutual funds app. So I think that is something which inspired me. I would like to thank Be10x for giving me such an opportunity in teaching. Such as Google Colab, there are other apps such as Perplexity and ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT I initially used before even joining the Be10x,
Okay.
but Perplexity and Gemini, I wasn't aware of those AI apps. So after using this, I think my skills have been improved and I could outperform than other colleagues in my company.
So hi Anubhav. Today
Yeah,
I
hi.
want you to start about, just starting a few words you can say about your professional journey, about yourself, about your education background, and how did it feel like before joining these sessions?
So myself, Pranabhav, I am from Tamil Nadu. I did my graduation from JSS College of Pharmacy, UT. So after that, I have done my MBA from NIBM.
Hmm.
So I didn't want to land up a job where I didn't thought of even joining a business development course. So just while scrolling through Instagram, I came through this course called Be10x.
Hmm.
So after registering, I just want to give a try and see how this Be10x is and how it could upskill my levels. So initially, I joined for a package of maybe or something around 10 rupees or something. It was just a trial course from which I got inspired. Mainly Mr. Aditya Goenka and his colleague.
Hmm.
So after that, I thought of giving a shot and joining the full course for about 1 year. This was really the time when I felt myself joining in an additional course and how I could leverage this AI skills.
Yeah, that's great to know. Like after that, when you entered into the first class of that whole program, how did you feel when you started learning all of that thing? How was that experience?
Initially, when I joined, I was excited to learn new AI apps as well as especially the financial freedom accelerator course.
Hmm.
Those were something which really helped me to gain knowledge on the stock markets as well as how we invest our money and how to grow our money.
Hmm.
So that really grabbed my attention, I would say.
Uh-huh.
That 4 days I was continuously listening without even missing a single class. So I even started my journey in investing in Grow and other mutual funds app. So I think that is something which inspired me. I would like to thank Be10x for giving me such an opportunity in teaching.
That's very good to know. Mostly that you actually started your financial journey up after that. That also means that I think somewhere down the line it did build confidence in you that you can take this kind of decisions. That's
Yeah,
good to know. So you
yeah,
already mentioned me that you had a specific goal when you started this program, that you wanted to learn about the AI tools and it is the
correct.
future. Do you think that you are in the path to achieving that goal, or do you feel like you're already there? Is there a project that you're working on based out of AI? How are you utilizing all of
Uh,
this?
Actually, I'm not a computer-based student. I'm a biology student. I don't
Okay.
have any idea about the coding.
Hmm.
But without coding, how to leverage AI was B10x was teaching me perfectly. Like
Okay.
without coding, how do you use AI without coding? So this
Hmm.
is somewhere where I was interested and I was looking for. How
Hmm.
do we use the AI apps without coding? So that's where this Google Colab app was like in picture. So
Hmm.
I started using Google Colab, which helped me reduce time almost. I would say the work which I have done in the past 1 week, I have completed in just one day.
Hmm.
So Such as Google Colab, there are other apps such as Perplexity and ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT I initially used before even joining the Be10x,
Okay.
but Perplexity and Gemini, I wasn't aware of those AI apps. So after using this, I think my skills have been improved, and I could outperform than other colleagues in my company.
That's actually great to know, and especially because coming from a non-engineering background, the way you
Yeah,
still leverage these technical tools, I think it must have been a great use case when you started implementing all of these in your industries, right? Yeah,
correct. Yeah.
that's actually good. So that means you are
Yeah.
already in the path of becoming a great AI engineer in the future, or leveraging all of those tools together instead of just one.
Yeah, correct. So, data analyst, I know that it is one of the good job which market has demand for, but I don't want to join data analyst, but I want
Okay.
to leverage those skills and apply those in the business development which I work for. So,
Okay.
I want to work in a higher position.
Hmm.
I would say.
I actually like everything that you have to say. So I wanted to give some mentorship advice to the people who will be
Mm-hmm.
joining us in the future, either experienced or freshers or professionals, something about your domain, and a little bit of mentorship and motivation, like a roadmap guidance. What would you like to say to them?
So I already have started suggesting B10x to my friends as well as my colleagues.
Okay.
So I'm not a kind of person to keep it myself. I would like to share my knowledge to others. So I already suggested, and one of my friend was interested. He also enrolled in the same class, and
Oh,
I'm
okay.
also suggesting it for my cousins who are quite hesitant to join because it involves money. So
Hmm.
they have just completed their schoolings and they are out from this. So at that time they don't have money to start it, right?
Hmm.
So I have suggested them. Let us see. Maybe if I could show them some example classes of how B10x teaches,
Hmm.
then I think that might really bring their attention.
Oh, yes, definitely. So you are also leading
Yeah,
the path for the people who will be coming
correct.
along the way. Yes, yes, correct.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
that is wonderful. Okay, Anubhav, thank you so much for giving your time to
yeah,
us and giving a very descriptive answers and solutions to the people who are confused about the marks class, and also people who are in your domain, let's say, as business development. So they will also have a roadmap to look forward to. Like, not everything has to be
correct.
very technical, but the only way you can leverage it is by understanding the
Yeah,
tools, right? Yes.
yeah, exactly.
Okay, then. Thank you so much.